Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off recommendations on YouTube. So this will work the same for on your phone or on the computer. So what you're going to want to do for this, there's two different options of how to not recommend certain videos. Is that you're going to want to click on the three little buttons, like the bottom right under each video you will see either on the computer or the phone. You want to click on that and then you will see two different options there. You've got not interested, then don't recommend channel. So depending on what you not wanted to see, for instance, so let's say for instance I clicked not interested on this specific video here where I beat Ninja in Fortnite. What that will tell YouTube that it doesn't want that type of video category. So basically what will happen there is that if you keep clicking not interested over a certain amount of time, there's not like click it once and then you will never see a gaming video again. Is that over time, if you keep clicking not interested in all these gaming videos, eventually YouTube will kind of take it into its algorithm and say, okay, we won't show this person gaming videos anymore. But what it doesn't do is say for instance, if you don't want to see ninja videos or whatever, let's say we're playing another game or whatever, or another channel, then it won't just stop showing ninja videos because you're not interested in. It's just a category of the game when you click that not interested button. But then if you click the don't recommend channel button, what will happen is that if you're for instance this channel here, Laser Beam, it won't show the videos in recommended. So what recommended is all these videos you see here when you click on the home page of either your phone or on the computer. Those are the ones that basically won't show for that specific person. But if you do type into the YouTube search I beat Ninja in Fortnite, Laser Beam will come up, but it's just not on recommended for that. So there's two different options. You can't actually just turn off and so you'll never see a certain thing again, unfortunately, overall blanketed. So there's two different options. Not interested will stop showing the game category over time, and it won't just be an instant thing, it will happen over time if you keep clicking. Then don't recommend channel will not show them in recommendations for that specific channel, but potentially if it's about the person Ninja as well, because it's another person in the video, it won't just not show his videos as well. It's just that specific channel, the person, etc., all the type of videos. Hopefully that made sense. If it didn't, you're going to go out and do this. Leave a like on the video, subscribe for more videos like this, click on the screen to see more how-to videos on the YouTube app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.